In this video, I want to go over the 8 KYU problem on Codewars called multiply. And what it wants us to do is to figure out why this problem doesn't work. So let me zoom in, and here's the problem. Now there's two different ways I want to show you how to do this. The first is these two local variables A and B. What it's trying to make us do is to return the product of these two local variables. So the first way we could do this is we could create a variable called x and set it equal to the product of the two local variables A and B, and then we could just return x. But there's actually a simpler way, and let's just test this to see if it works properly. It does. Let's attempt it. Okay, so that worked, but there's an even more simpler way to do this, and we don't need to create another local variable called x. We could just say return the product of A and B. So let's try that, attempt it, and that also works. So decided to get back into making videos with a simple Codewars 8 KYU problem. I'm going to be making a lot more Codewars problems in the future, but I decided to start out with an easier one. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if you did, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in future tutorials.